Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here today to show you the 3 new budget kits that I am releasing today for August in my store, as well as a couple other new things that have recently launched. So let's jump right in and talk August budget kits. So the first one that we have is called Succulent Dream, and I use this specifically because it reminded me a little bit of lavender, which, if you're not aware, is my last name. August is also my dad's birthday month. He passed away about 10 years ago, and it's also, I think, it's the month where lavender tends to bloom the most. I might have made that up completely, though. I might be doing my name a huge injustice here. Anyway, this is the budget sheet for it. Okay, then we have our cash envelopes and sinking funds, and as always, the kiss cut around the header is with the same pattern as what's on here. So for those two there, we have our weekly check-in with our numbered flags. These pop up as always. And then we have our debt tracker and transaction log to match. Okay, we've also got, so for washi, for this kit, we have 3 super cute thick washis. So we have one that matches the kit header, this pretty green background one with the mauve flowers, and then polka dots, because who doesn't love polka dots? Honestly, tell me, who doesn't love polka dots? So those are the thick washi, and then our thin washi, we have one pattern and one solid as usual. Solid matches the strips in the other pages, and then our thin washi has these 3 designs here. Okay, so again, this kit is called Succulent Dream. It is in the store now. Okay, next up we have what I think is my favorite kit for this month. It's called Alice's Garden, and I am in love with this tealy sort of green color. So we've got our main budget kit here. We've got our cash envelopes and sinking funds. Like, look how pretty that kiss cut is with that design. I love it. Okay, weekly check-in with the flags. Love, love, love. Okay, debt tracker and transaction log as usual. All right, for washi, oh, you guys, we've got the one that matches the header, and then these 2 others here. I think this is going to be the kit that I use for my budget in August. It's just, I don't know, I can't even with how cute this is. This one I think might be my favorite. So these 3 thick washi options, and then for thin washi we have this. I love this, so sweet. And the dark teal to match. All right, so that's Alice's Garden, also in the store now. The last one we have is called Happy Geo, and this actually wasn't the artwork that I was planning to use this month for my 3rd kit, but I realized that all 3 of the ones that I had chosen were floral, and I wanted a different kind of option, and this one actually turned out like it's kind of a toss-up for me between which is my favorite between these 2. I still think it's Alice's Garden. But so we have our main budget sheet for Happy Geo, and then we've got cash envelopes and sinking funds with the cute little, this is reminiscent of Erin Condren's mid-century circles, I guess. So love that. Our weekly check-in right here. Our debt tracker and transaction log. And then for thick washi, so we have our matching header washi. And then we have these, oh my goodness, I'm so in love with these. So this one is like little curly cues. And then this one here is just geometric sort of dots, circles, strands. I don't know. They look kind of like necklaces to me. And then for bottom washi, or sorry, for thin washi, we have the much smaller version of the mid-century circles, this cute little zigzag or chevron, and then the strand one again in blue, and then our solid washi in pink. So cute. I don't know how I'm going to really choose which one to use. I suppose, I mean, realistically, I have one budget for home and one for business, so I could get away with doing two if I really wanted to. So, so these are the 3 kits that are going to launch for August. In terms of which one is actually going to be available with the August budget header on it, it's gonna be this one. I didn't print it out. I am trying to figure out whether or not it really makes sense to have them, like, to even offer them labeled with the months. I mean, at the end of the day, it's no real skin off my back. Or if I should just do, like, either you can do it any month and you can add in the, so I have one over here, hang on. You can add on the header stickers, or if it'll just be like if you want a custom one that you could put in the description or the notes to seller, and then I would do it up for you. So I'm not 100% sure yet. I will figure that part out over the next couple months. I'll still continue to offer one of them with the specific month, but then we'll see sort of what's going on and what you guys are liking in the store. So those are the budget kits. These are also available. They are always in the store. So you get 2 sheets, one each with half the year, but they come as one, like one listing, one item. Okay, so those are the budgets. The other 2 things that I launched, I actually launched these last week or maybe even the week before, but I wanted to wait to do a video until I had the August kits done as well, is these quote overlays. And these ones are foiled, and they are inspirational quotes. So I've got one here. I'll show you them one at a time. So this one is the first option. So really just sort of cute and inspirational quotes. This one I foiled in silver, but they are all available in gold, silver, and rose gold. So you just choose at checkout. There are 8 to a sheet, and these are printed on clear glossy paper, so you can put them over your full boxes in your planner. Okay, and then the other one, so this is number 2. Now there is one missing from here because this is actually my sheet and I used it. So I'm going to show you what it actually looks like, but this is the gold foil. So that is the option as well. The one that's missing from here says no rain, no flowers, and it was just perfect for my planner last week. So I'll show you. I overlaid it on this box here, and it just says no rain, no flowers there. And I love it. So those have launched as well, and they are in the store now. As always, there is a freebie each month. I did show this in my last video, but in case this is the first one that you've caught, this is the freebie for June. It's got little icons and scripts on it. There will always be a code for your next order for 20% off. I've just blacked it out for this. So this is the June freebie that you will see in any orders in June. All right, so to recap, we have 2 quote overlay sets, and our 3 new budget kits for August. I can't believe it's August already. And our June freebie is there. So these are all up in the store now. You can go and check them out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below or message me on Instagram or over on Etsy as well. I will get back to you very, very quickly. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.